Hello everyone, welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to transform this small kitchen into a functional and beautiful space using some clever components. Let's get started. Before we dive into the decorating process, it's essential to have a plan. Take some time to measure your kitchen and create a layout. Identify the best spots for cabinets, countertops, and other components we'll be using. Let's start with the foundation. Cabinets and countertops. Choose customized cabinets that fit the space perfectly, and complement them with durable countertops that add both functionality and style to your kitchen. Now, for some extra workspace and storage, a kitchen island is a must. Select a compact island that won't overwhelm the room. And to brighten up your prep area, don't forget under cabinet lighting, it adds a touch of elegance and makes tasks easier. In small kitchens, space is precious, so let's make the most of it. Install a pull-out pantry to keep your dry goods and small items organized. And add some stylish wall shelves. They not only provide storage but also serve as a display for your favorite kitchen accessories. Corner cabinets can be challenging to use, but not anymore. With a Lazy Susan, you'll have easy access to items in the farthest corners. Also, invest in compact appliances designed for small kitchens. They save space without compromising on functionality. To keep your drawers neat and tidy, insert drawer dividers for your utensils and cutlery. And for some added workspace, use an over-the-sink cutting board. It's a practical solution that maximizes your sink area. Vertical storage is essential in small kitchens. Hang a pot rack from the ceiling to store your pots and pans, saving valuable cabinet space. Plus, install a wall-mounted magnetic knife strip to keep your knives within reach and free up counter space. No one likes unsightly trash cans taking up space. Hide them away with slide-out trash and recycling bins, conveniently tucked inside your cabinetry. In small kitchens, versatility is key. Opt for a foldable dining table that you can put away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. Also, consider a backsplash with storage. It's an innovative way to keep your cooking tools within arm's reach. Lastly, let's add some finishing touches. Install a built-in wine rack to showcase your favorite bottles. Utilize the corner space with a corner sink to improve flow. Hide your small appliances behind an appliance garage to keep your countertops clutter-free. Create a cozy breakfast nook to enjoy your meals, and finish it off with a sliding barn door to save space on traditional doors. And there you have it. A perfectly remodeled small kitchen with all the essential components. Remember, smart planning and creative solutions are the keys to making the most of limited space. Happy decorating!